Hello guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are going to look at fractions some more. That's true, there's other stuff to talk about. It's a big concept. Let's start the 5-minute timer down below and get busy. Go. Okay, good. Fractions can be viewed as numbers, it's true, but also as pictures. Yeah, that helps us see what the fraction is really saying when you think of it in terms of pictures. Let's look at these work examples down below. It's asking you to tell what the fraction is by writing the fraction next to the picture. Look at the parts of the picture. Look at the pieces in the entire whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where that denominator for the 4 came from. What? Whoop. How does a 2 get on top, though? Well, that's how many pieces are actually shaded in. 1, 2. So what you're saying is, oops, what you're saying is 2 pieces out of 4 are shaded. And it's true, look. 1, 2, those 2 have color, and then there's 4 altogether. So 2 have color, even though there's 4 altogether. What would be the appropriate fraction for this guy? Think about it. How many pieces are there altogether? That's not hard to see. 1, 2. And how many have are shaded or have color? Just the 1. So what fraction is that? 1/2, or 1/2. Alright, not so bad. Let's keep going. Why did the pictures make sense with the fractions? Well, it's simple. It's simple. It's because they tell you how many shaded pieces there are in the whole thing. Simple, 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 simple. Fractions, did you know, could also mean division problems. It's true. It's true. Let me show you what I mean by that. Divide with fractions to help discover what the whole number is. The first one is done for you. Okay, so here we have a fraction, 4/2. You can see it right there in the question. 4/2. But 4/2 is the same thing as saying 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2, whoop, is 2. 3/1 is the same thing as saying 3 divided by 3/1, 3 divided by 1. And 3 divided by 1 is pretty easy. 3. That's going to come up sometimes, and it's not so bad. You just got to know that fractions, they're connected to division. So if you see a fraction like this, and it asks you to divide, don't freak out. It's not that different than other division you've done. You just know that 4/2 means 4 divided by 2. Or 3/1 means 3 divided by 1. Remember last time we talked about fractions having decimal equivalents? Well, that's back. That's back to get us. 1/5 is what we're talking about this time, and 1/3 as well. 1/5 is equal to 0.2 or 0.20. But like I always say, if there's a 0 at the end at a decimal, we don't need them. 1/3 is equal to 0.33333. Oh my goodness. We can go on forever if we wanted to. If we wanted to. We don't want to. So, knowing that 1/5 equals 0.2 and 1/3 equals 0.3, what can we do with these guys down below? Almost finished. 4/5 is like 1/5, but instead of being 1, there's 4 of them. So what if we took that 0.2 for 1/5 and just did it 4 times? What would we get? 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2? That's not so bad. It's going to be 0.2, 4, 6, 8. 8! So 4/5 is 0.8. You might be tempted for 5/5 to add one more. But you know what you could do? It'd take you about 3 seconds. You have to notice that once again we have a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are the same. And when the numerator and the denominator are the same, we have one whole. 1. And then for 1/3, well, I just told you what it was a second ago, didn't I? Didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, I did. It's up here. What does 1/3 equal? It equals 0.333. Oh, and you could just go on forever if you wanted to. I wonder what you guys will do on the homework when it asks you what 2/3 is. If 1/3 is 0.3333, what do you think 2/3 is? That's something to think about. We'll go over it again after you give it a shot in your homework. Alright, we're over time. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.